Hi guys, Paul here at Paul Phillips Fix. I just wanted to do a little quick video on oil filters. I'm not going to go through a whole big comparison, but I just want to show you a quick shot of a couple of filters. I think you'll find it interesting. It's a good quality brand for filters, air filters and oil filters. Now this one has a hard plastic with some fabric seal on it. Good filter element. It's a good filter. Alright, but I was doing a little research and I came across Wix filters. I want to show you the construction of this. With these filaments that you put in, you can see how they're built. This is all metal. Got an O-ring on the top, O-ring on the bottom, inside. Got an O-ring to seal it. All metal with a nice metal support bar on it and beautiful element. This is made for synthetic. It's the Wix XP. If you got a W210, the part number is 51226XP. That's 51226XP. Alright guys, so if you're running a W210 Mercedes, I would recommend you go with a Wix filter. I'm going to try to use them in all my vehicles. I got 2 Chevys too. But I was running Bosch Extended Performance and the Mobile One top quality filter, but I think Wix is the best made. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Please give a like and subscribe and share this with your friends. Help my channel grow because it's our channel. And remember, take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you. Bye-bye.